Guys, we're starting off this vlog with Cassandra. We just came back from a class. Don't do that. We just came back from a class and now we're going to Ulta. Question. Can you help me find like a brown lip liner and then clear gloss? Okay, where should I never did this before.
Wait, what?
I don't wear makeup. So should I do like right on the... You can do it for me?
I've never done lip liner on someone else. Wait, I'm gonna need you to sit down.
Okay.
Yeah, it's called chestnut.
Guys, I've been wanting to try these, but I don't know which one to try first. It's for my mom, guys, but if it works on her, I'm gonna try it for myself. So, got the edge drops. Okay, now we're going to Total Wine because I want some wine for this weekend. I'm gonna go with the strawberry one. I never had it before, but I just saw something fruity. Now we're looking at the THC. These are so cute and sparkly. We're at Panera now because Cassandra didn't want to go to Kava. Oh, hope y'all saw that. Are you? Okay, got my food. I'm so hungry, y'all. I probably didn't need a whole sandwich, but Cassandra got a half, and she said it's really good. So I'm on the front camera, so if it looks bad, I'm sorry. This is a mess. Leave out washed in the back like this. What? What time you going? After I finish my hair. This is what I got from Ulta, by the way. Elf. This gloss is so like non-sticky, and I got this lip liner. It was $25, and now I need to buy a sharpener for it. And I got the Sacred Edge drops for my mom, and I'm gonna be using it too a little bit, even though I have edges, but like just to spruce them up, maybe right here a little bit. I don't know. It's the flat iron I'm gonna be using. The blow dryer I'm using, I'm not sure where this is from. This is my sister's, but it could be hotter. It's not the best. So.
Go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Side city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Side, for me other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get first instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. Know what I do? I didn't love you, babe. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe?
Done. This is as good as it's gonna get. I might need to blow dry it a little bit more. The tracks aren't dry all the way in the back, but I'm about to go get my feet done, and I don't have time for all of that. So my leave out is completely dry. It's just the back that's not 100% dry, which is fine.
You don't want the juices?
No.
Okay.
Hair is as late as I can get it. I'm with my mom right now. We are on the way to get our feet done. My mom's feet look crusty and dusty. I don't have a tripod in here, so. But I'm at Smoothie King getting a smoothie before I go get my feet done because I'm actually a little bit hungry. Any words? I got the lip liner on. I don't even know if you can tell. And the gloss. Face ashy, I'm ashy, legs ashy. Smoothie eats though. I'm just basic, so. Lash appointment, she just texted me and it has been canceled for today, or I can come 7:30 tonight, and I have work tomorrow, so I'm not going that late. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to go after I get my nails done. But right now we're going to Publix. We're just going to Publix to get a cucumber for my mom because she wants to. Valentine's Day. I decided I'm not gonna go to Aldi's because my mom already took me to Publix. So I'm gonna get my meal prep from here. So I'm gonna get some ground beef and brightest. It's a little crooked, y'all, I think. I'm literally rushing to my nail appointment. I have to be there at 3:30 and it says I'm gonna be there at 3:31. And I stopped to get food because y'all, I'm starving, so hopefully I can drive fast.
Had I been privy to the information, I might would have called Kenya before she showed up and showed out. You need to get this dude. I don't need to move. I need to leave.
Okay guys, lashes isn't happening, so now I'm at Chili's with Cassandra. I'm gonna get pasta for the first time. Ugh, this mini is dirty. Okay, I got the pasta and she got that. It's vlog over. I started another vlog and I recorded like a shower routine, so stay tuned for those videos. Yes, I'm on the toilet, but I'll see you guys next time.